A watershed moment on race in higher education.
I think this is a huge step back.
But can now rejoice over the fact that at least our kids can be judged based on their achievements and merits alone.
A sharply divided Supreme Court dealing a major blow to using race as a criteria in college admissions. A 6-3 conservative majority finding Harvard and the University of North Carolina violated the law, writing the schools unavoidably employ race in a negative manner, involve racial stereotyping, and lack meaningful endpoints. President Biden condemning the ruling and the high court itself.
Is this a rogue court?
This is not a normal court.
The justices offering dramatically different views of the role of race in America. Justice Sotomayor delivering a blistering dissent from the bench for nearly 20 minutes, ending by quoting MLK Jr., "We shall overcome." But Edward Bloom, the conservative activist behind the lawsuits against the schools, praised the ruling.
These obligations compel the removal of all racial and ethnic classification boxes from undergraduate and postgraduate application forms.
As for what schools can do, the High Court provided something of a roadmap, saying they may consider student essays about the impact of race on one's life, be it through discrimination, inspiration, or otherwise. A suggestion drawing pushback.
What if you're a black student who doesn't want to talk about the fact that you are a descendant of slaves?
Other schools may opt to end legacy admissions, prioritize first-generation college students, or phase out standardized testing.
We will comply with the court's decision, but it does not change our values.
For now, more questions than answers about what this decision means in practice.
As for how the public feels about all of this, well, a lot depends on how the question is asked. A recent NBC News poll found that more than half of Americans support affirmative action as long as no quotas are used. But that changes when the question specifically asks about race and ethnicity in admissions processes. There, the public is broadly against it, guys.
People are going to be poring over this decision literally for decades. So it doesn't outright ban any mention of race in the college admissions process, but it comes pretty close. And it's the question, I guess, is how is it workable? Because what the court says is, you can still write about race or as a matter of, how you got here, or your inspiration if you want to. Well, what are colleges supposed to do with that?
I think the best way to think about it, if you have a kid that is applying to school this fall, you can submit an essay and describe how race impacts your life. But you're not going to check that box for your race anymore. Already, the Common App has said they're going to hide that information from schools so that schools can't be accused of taking race into account anymore.
We always say the Supreme Court waits to the last day to turn in its homework. There are two big cases that we're expecting to be ruled on today. One of them has to do with a Colorado wedding website designer who did not want to design websites for gay couples. This is a First Amendment free speech case.
And she hasn't actually made any websites yet, but she says, I fear fines and trouble under the Colorado law that says if you're a public accommodation, which means your business is open to everybody, you have to serve everybody. You can't discriminate. So she says that law on the books affects my free speech rights because I only want to make the websites for, obviously, for not for same-sex couples. Now, we'll see what the justices say about this, but the important thing will be to see how do they distinguish between her as an artist and, say, a wedding caterer or a florist? Where is the line? That's what we're going to have to watch for. How do you draw that line?
Okay, Laura, we'll be with you later today.
Yes,
Thank you
sure.
so much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.